All right, so we just cut out 12 circles out of our pie crust. I did have to roll out some excess dough. I'm next bringing in my muffin tin, and we're gonna use our butter spray and just pan our muffin tin. Once you feel like it is greased, we're gonna grab our pie dough, and we're just gonna push that right into our muffin tin. It's okay if it has like a little flap, we can just fold that inward, and we are gonna do that with each of our muffin holes. Just like so. All right, now that these are all in my muffin tin, I'm gonna grab my cheesecake no bake. You can find this at Walmart. And I'm gonna grab my little cookie scoop, and we're gonna add a half of a tablespoon of our no bake cheesecake into each of our little muffin tin holes. Now you could make your own cheesecake. It doesn't even need to be no bake, but I love this stuff. I could eat it right out of the tub. It just goes so well with so many desserts. But if you can't find it, you can make your own and it will be just as delicious. So let's go ahead and get our scoops in our pie dough. Yummy. All right, and with our cheesecake, we're gonna do strawberry pie filling. Now you could do a lemon pie filling or a cherry pie filling, but I just feel like strawberry is perfect for spring, which is why I am choosing the strawberry pie with the cheesecake. So we're gonna add a scoop of our pie filling right there in our muffin tin. All right, once these are filled up, we're gonna put them to the side, and I have one more pie crust that we're gonna use. And I'm gonna roll that out. You could obviously make your own homemade pie crust. And I have this adorable little flower cookie cutter, and we're gonna cut out 12 flowers out of our pie crust. Super quick for this easy and yummy dessert. All right, pull back that excess, and we have 12 adorable little flowers that are gonna go right on top of our strawberry pie filling as our top crust. Super easy, super delicious spring dessert that everyone will love. Obviously, the top crust is optional. If you don't have like a little flower cutter like mine, you can skip it or you can cut it into something else, maybe like a little Easter egg for Easter. But this is just a classic, delicious spring dessert, okay? Last two, and these are ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350, and this is gonna be in there for about 25 minutes. All right, I just pulled these out of the oven, and they smell incredible. Woo, so perfect for the occasion. And look, they just pop right out, and they are perfectly cooked. And that's why you gotta spray your pan. You pop so easily, and you have these little mini tarts, pies, whatever you want to call them. All right, these look so delicious. Let's give one a try. All right, I'm gonna go for this one right here. It looks so cute. Remember, we have that cheesecake in there too. Wow, that is phenomenal. You guys have to try these.